Hello and welcome to the first part in the full series of Helm course, where you can learn how to use Helm with Kubernetes. So let's get started. In this course, I am going to use Minikube for the videos, but you can use any Kubernetes cluster. You'll need to install Helm in your local machine. In this course, we'll be exploring how to use Helm to download Kubernetes packages, how to find Helm charts, how to customize existing Helm packages. You'll end up with dynamic Kubernetes YAML that can be customized and tuned for different environments without having to duplicate your YAML. And that's the real power of Helm. So if you're ready for this journey, let's get started and see what is Helm. What is Helm? Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. As you can see in Helm website, the package manager for Kubernetes. You might be familiar with other package managers such as Yum and apt for Linux, Scoop and Chocolatey for Windows, and Brew on macOS. So for example, you have to install Git in your local machine. So you have to go to Git website, find the installation, download it, then execute it, and then configure it. That is a lot of work. And if you have a package manager, it will enable you to run a single command like yum install git and everything is automatic. Important aspect of package manager is that somewhere else there will be a repository containing a large number of pre-configured packages. So let's see how we can install Helm in Windows. So let's jump into Helm website, Helm install, and click on installing Helm. And this is a Helm website and you can see documentation, best practices chart, but we have to install Helm. So we have to install basically latest version of Helm. So we can see the latest version. Just click on desired version and it will redirect us to the Git page where we have Helm. So I'm gonna install Helm 3.11.1. It is the latest version that is compiled 2 days ago. So under installation and upgrading, let's click on Windows MD4. So it will just download us Helm for our Windows operating system. So we have this downloaded Helm in our download section, but we need, basically it's best practice to have our executables in basically C drive. So let's go into C drive and create a directory Helm and just paste it here, and let's just extract it. We have extracted it and we have Helm executable here. Basically we can access this Helm from here in command line. Let's go to command line and let's just go to this path and click on Helm. It is working. Let's see Helm version. Yeah, it's 3.11.1. but if we are in different directory, if we are in different directory, we cannot execute Helm. So make it happen, we need to have Helm in our environment variable. So let's just copy the path and just hit environment variable and click on it. There is a system properties and under here we have environment variable. Just click on it and we have this path. Double click on it and let's create one path in our system user defined variable. So click OK, OK, and OK. And now when we just try Helm, we need to just click on here. We have to cancel this, and again we have to just help. Yeah, it is working now. So we can see the version in our mobextrom help version. We have 3.11.1. Let's see whether we have a connection to our Kubernetes server, that is minikube. Yeah, we have it. kubectl-a get port. Sorry for that. Login this way. Yeah, so we have only system ports running. In next lecture we'll see how we can install Helm Linux operating system. Stay tuned. Thank you.